So we ate our Chick-fil-A and they had that dance party going on, and then it was really cool actually. At one point, like right before we finished eating, that band came out and they were really good, very talented. So now we're about to do the monorail. This is the thing that I've been waiting to do. I was so excited for the monorail.
I know. We over the zoo part. I hope we see the bears this time. He was kind of hiding when we were in there.
Close enough up to him when we were there. Yeah, that was I didn't realize. Like, I think I forgot that part, that this actually goes over top of the zoo as well. And this monorail is really cool. It's an open-air monorail. It's not like at Disney how it's all closed in. It's really cool. I can't wait to get up here. Hi, everybody.
Actually, I can.
Here we go.
But this is your okay. But it didn't come up maybe because you don't have.
Look how cool. Oh, so this is gonna be exciting to like get the lay of the land of like where everything is. Oh, there's a Skyway. I wonder if we can still do that tonight too. Little Skyway. There was the swing. We did.
That might make it too easy. It was fun,
Oh, that's the dolphin show. Or the sea lion show. Oh, really? The sea lions were sleeping up there? Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this place? What is this? Oh, it's like a bar. It's like a little bar and lounge, like people are getting sodas or something. That's so cute. I don't know. We need to go check that out. That's cool. You see, this is why we do the monorail. Now here's the cars that we drove. Oh, and there's a kissing tower. All the way up there. So you see, you get in and that little car takes you all the way up to the top. Oh, and now we're going out over the street. Here's the town of Hershey. You'll see all of the lamp posts here are all kisses.
One-of-a-kind interactive 4D show. Hershey Entertainment and Resorts and the Hershey Company are proud to help fulfill the dream.
And over there is the museum that we've been to before. Isn't that where the museum was? I think in O2 buildings over. I knew it was in this area.
The largest home and school in the world, as it continues to provide opportunity.
That is really pretty with the sunset.
Look at the Hershey's.
Oh, that's cute.
We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's chocolate factory, started by our founder Milton Hershey. It's a nice little city.
Yeah, there's the original smokestacks for the factory. And we're about to go over the zoo. I'm so excited.
Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift.
Oh, really? The prairie dogs started it. Whoa!
North American wildlife and habitats. Visit with one of our zoo educators.
Yeah, the bear was. This is the bear's thing.
We have established.
Oh, I don't see him. Maybe he went to bed. Oh, there's the what are they called? Oh, there's the owls. So cool. Trailblazer.
Oh, it's right there, Trailblazer.
Oh yeah, there's Trailblazer. That's what we were doing earlier.
Hershey Park is not just open for summertime. Come back for a million visits the rest of the year.
Wow, there it goes over the porch.
Oh. I like all the lights coming on the coasters.
That one that goes straight up. That's true. This one does too. When it takes off, it goes. It doesn't go this straight up. It goes up over the
Oh, there's the Chick-fil-A where we just ate. And here's the band. theaters. We didn't get to see this show today, but it's Big Top Dreams that is playing here right now. I would love to see like one of these stage shows. That monorail ride is a must-do when you come here. It's just so cool to be able to see so much of the whole entire park and over to the old factory location and Zoo America. Okay, now we are going to get on the train. Here we go on the train. Here we go. Oh, the monorail's passing over top of us. So cool. We're going over a bridge. Wow, look at the view. Oh, here's the water park over here. Really cool. Oh, now we're picking up speed. Yeah. Looks like there's some cabanas you can get over here at the water park. Yeah, we'll have to go in there and walk around sometime. See what it's all about. We just went through a tunnel. Right about now is when they used to have to push it up, or you said they still have to push it up. This is a really old steam train, and apparently it still needs to be pushed up the hill every once in a while or back into the station. It can't always make it. Right now it's saying, I think I can, I think I can. Oh, I don't know, we're slowing down.
When you cross over Sandy Hill Road, you keep on going.
We've now come inside of the gift shop here. Look how cute these little guys are with their collars have the characters. Oh, they're scented bath bombs. Those are fun. So we're looking around in the gift shop at everything. Alright, we are now getting ready to head out of the park. Look how pretty this fountain looks. All lit up at night now. Today was amazing. We will definitely be back to Hershey Park very soon. Like I said, me and Danny, when he's up, we want to find some time to come up here and get to experience everything that they have and get to show him around, maybe some of the town and stuff too. I'm super excited for that. So right now, our night is not over though yet. I think we're gonna go back into Chocolate World, the place we came when we first came in to Hershey here. And we're going to go ahead and maybe get some sweet treats to take back with us, look in the little shop there, and yeah, just kind of have like a relaxing night now. Today was so much fun. It feels so good to be back here and like just getting to walk around and get kind of the lay of the land. Like the park, I'm still like, I got a park map and I need to like look at it and study it. I need to like learn this park now, like the back of my hand. Like I have, you know, all the Disney parks and everything on lockdown. Now I gotta learn this one. We're making the trek back over to Chocolate World after leaving the park, and here's all this construction again. This main entrance hub is going to be incredible. I really am excited about it. I think that fountain is so cute with the little Hershey Kiss look to it. Here's some concept art. So that's that Candymonium coaster that they're building, their 15th coaster. Really cool. This is gonna look so different. We're now back inside of Chocolate World, and over here is actually this really cool build your own candy bar experience. And they also have just some little bakery things. We gotta get their cookies and their cupcakes. They are delicious here. We had, Amory gave us some of her cupcakes she got at lunch and it was amazing. I absolutely love candied apples. I definitely want one of those chocolate ones. Oh, that's good. I still love this one of them caroling with the little street sign. It's cute. There's so much in here. Like this shop just keeps going. We saw, oh look, they have spirit jerseys, Mom. Kisses spirit jerseys.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. That's adorable. I do love my spirit jerseys. And you had me a kiss. There is so much stuff in here. Oh, and we love our puzzles. That's cool with like the logos. Yeah, this would be repetitive after a while, but this one would be fun, I think. Look at the golf balls. Cool stuff. There's like, they have regular Hershey. Oh, I love that. That looks like it's even, is it like thicker too? I guess not, but it's like just, it's kind of softer, I would say. Yeah, that's a nice color. That is really cute. How much is there?
$39.95.
Oh, so they're not as expensive as the Disney. Are they actual Spirit Jersey brand? Probably not. That's why they're a little bit more.
They're Hershey's brand.
They're a Hershey's brand. I love these. They're really cute. Might have to keep that in mind next time I'm up here. Oh, that's cute for Americana 4th of July. Oh, it's on clearance too. It is, looks like it's marked down now to $19.95. Or maybe that's just the regular price, I don't know. And this fluffiness, this would keep you warm. You need this stuff around here in the winter months, let me tell you. So that's cute. Me and my mom were just looking at this, how adorable. I was always obsessed with Barbie dolls. I love Barbie. They have these Kisses dolls. How cute is that? She has little kisses on her dress. All right, we're back over with all the num-nums and things that we're getting to take home. Look at this, they have a s'mores cookie. Look at that with the chunks of like actual full-on like Hershey chocolate pieces. And then this is what we're gonna get. This is like their traditional chocolate chip cookie made with their own Hershey's chocolate chip kisses, or Hershey chocolate chips. So while my dad's in line over there getting us our treats, we're gonna kind of peek in here at this create your own candy bar experience and see what this is all about. So do you get to like design your wrapper and everything too, I guess? Oh, that's cool. This is really neat. Oh, this would be a fun thing to do. You pick your colors and the design of your wrapper. Yeah, this is really neat. So I wonder if you also get to like choose the flavors of your candy bar, or is it just like a standard Hershey chocolate bar, but then you do like all this creative stuff? Like I want to know what it's all about. Yeah.
There's the cooling tunnel. I think they make it like a fresh candy bar.
Fresh candy bar. It smells like fresh chocolate around here. Yeah.
And everybody has to wear their hairnets and everything, so.
Okay, so it does let you choose a flavor base. We're reading the sign back here.
Flavor, inclusions, and design a unique wrapper.
Wow! Oh, that's awesome. So you do get to have a say in the flavor, and then you make your own wrapper.
What do they have up there? It looks like a...
Oh, I guess maybe you go up there and you can like... Because look, that's roped off. Maybe if you do this, you then get to go do something up there? Oh, actually, well, no, look, it's open over here on this end. So I guess we could go up there. Here we go. So this is a little bit more information. It's a 45-minute experience. Here's some more of what it entails. So here's the pricing. It's $26.95 if you want to just do the create your own bar experience. There's other things you can do in here as well. Like they have like a 4D movie and some other stuff. So it looks like you could do like a bundle pack for $43 for an adult, $36 for a kid. So there's some different experiences that you can do within here in Chocolate World, which is pretty cool.